wonderful cat. Whenever he gets in a fix, he reaches into his bag of tricks. Felix the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. You laugh so much your sides will ache, your heart will go pit-a-pat. Watching Felix, the wonderful cat.
Uh-oh, there's Felix now with the magic bag.
Hello, Mr. Rockbottom. Uh-oh, I don't like what he's thinking. I didn't like that gleam in Rockbottom's eye.
If I can get that bag for myself, I'll be a big shot, and the professor won't be so important.
Let's see if Mr. Rockbottom swipes this phony bag. Now for a nap.
He's asleep. I'll substitute this phony bag for this real one.
Rock went out in a hurry. I wonder what he's up to. What? Felix's magic bag. I'll substitute a phony bag in place of this real one. Felix will never know the difference.
Oh, no!
Eh?
Looks like nobody wanted a phony. So, I guess it's safe to take out my real magic bag.
We've been tricked. Bah! This isn't my day. I'm going back to the lab.
He can go back, but that won't stop me from trying to get the magic bag. Those eye holes will do the trick. Now to load it onto the truck and go.
Now to relax in the sunshine.
Congratulations, sir. You've just won a portable closet in which to keep your bags and things. Where shall I put it?
In my bedroom.
All set, sir.
Gee, thanks. I'll go and see. It's nice. I can keep my magic bag in there. Huh? That closet is sure portable, all right. It's carrying itself away. And my magic bag is in it. Stop! Stop! You have my magic bag.
I've got the magic bag, and it's all mine.
Thanks very much, Rock.
I've got to trick the professor into giving it back.
Now to take it to my laboratory.
Here comes the professor. Hold on there. I'm searching bags. Give me yours.
Where are you taking it?
To headquarters.
So, it's you, Rockbottom. Don't try your disguises on me again.
Okay, I won't. Gotcha. Ho, 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 ho.
You can't have that magic bag.
Try and get it.
Give me that bag.
I've just got to find my magic bag.
Blockhead, after it.
Ah, there it is, my magic bag at last. The Professor and Rock Bottom.
It went through that hole in the fence. Okay, Rock, we have it cornered.